Hi and welcome to a new episode of Out of Town Photography with Trevor. Today we're going to look at, yes, it's a little bit cold, we're going to look at the bulb setting in your camera. And that gives us long exposures. And why would we want a long exposure? Well, we would like a long exposure because we like to be able to get those milky shots where you see in the magazines where the water's cascading down a river and it's nice and soft and bright and white. Well, today I've set up a little shot here and we'll be taking that into Lightroom and we'll see what we can do with it afterwards. But first of all, how do we work with the bulb setting in our camera? Well, there's some important parts which we need to know. We need to have a good tripod for the first thing. The second thing, we need to set our lens into manual. And why would we want to set that into manual? Well, simply because we're going to be using a natural density filter on our lens. Okay, let me just put this on my lens. There you go, I'm looking through the viewfinder, trying to look at the picture after I've put my natural density filter on. Wow, I can't see a thing, it's absolutely dark. So always make sure that you compose, which I had already done actually, so I know I'm set up. Always compose before you put your natural density filter on and you're set to go. Now you want to have a starting point when you're out doing these sorts of shots, and I would recommend starting at f8 at ISO 100 and then you're kind of like good to go. Also cover up the back of your viewfinder and that will guarantee you total darkness in your camera. The next gadget we need to have is a cable release or a shutter release, and this allows us to control the shutter. Now in this long exposure shot we're going to take with the filter on the front, I'm going to hold this down 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and release. And there's my photo. And now we're going to take another photo for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And I will get back to you at the end of it. So I'm going to press my trigger, lock it, and walk away. Time is up. Unlock and release. And there's my photo. This you will see later. So there you go, folks. That is long exposure. You'll have great fun testing this out. You won't get it right the first time, but who does? Okay, a quick recap. A tripod, release cable, a natural density filter, put your lens in manual focus, cover your viewfinder, and Bob's your uncle. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.